Woo! Hey, can't stop, won't stop. I really think I just came up on something, y'all. I'm about to put y'all on. YouTube fam, what's good? What's going on with y'all, man? We are back, man. We ain't never left though. You know what I'm saying? What's going on? It's your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy. I'm here, man. I'm here to give y'all some free game, man. I just came across something, about to tell y'all about it here shortly, man. But yeah, can't stop, won't stop, like the intro said, man. But if this is your first time stopping through, man, glad to have y'all rocking out with your boy Jay. I would love for y'all to stick around. How you do that? You hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that subscribe button, join the family, so that you do not miss any of the upcoming heat that your boy does have in store for y'all over here on this channel, man. But as always, OGs of the fam, salute to y'all, man. I appreciate y'all. Make sure that you guys do not forget to give the video a thumbs up, man. Give it a thumbs up for the free game I'm putting y'all on, bro. Hit that thumbs up for your boy Jay. And yeah, man, I do have a shoe here and I do have a shoe here. We're about to talk about both of them, man. So without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and dive into it, and get your pen and pad and stuff ready, man, because like I said, free game. Let's get to it. Yes sir, bang, man. So as you see, man, the package has arrived, man. So your boy recently came across a dope brand, man. So as y'all can see right here from the tape on it, it does read Poizon, man, but this is the good Poizon, you know what I'm saying? So Poizon is one of the first companies to develop the verifying before delivery, so that guarantees the quality of the shopping experience and ensures every single product is authentic. They're hand-picked authenticated products from all around the world, so you can have extra margin of advantage when you're shopping. Check this out. Poizon not only provides online authentication, but they do check every single product to make sure that it is authentic, 100% authentic, y'all. So not only do they have over 100,000 sample items in their database, they also have hundreds of experienced authenticators and have cross validation by at least 2 authenticators. So it's getting double checked, y'all, man. So definitely a safe way to know that your shoes are 100% authentic. They also put authentication labs and advanced equipment before shipping. Nevertheless, the prices on the platform is so competitive and the products are hot. It does come nicely packaged, man. As you can see, y'all, I'm about to show y'all the shoe. Y'all can already see what's going on, man. Anybody want to guess what that is? Anybody want to guess, man? But anyways, it has the bubble wrap all on the inside. Ooh, you already know what this is, bro. Man, look at the packaging. So first thing, I do want to give it an A+ for the packaging, because they made sure that my box was not gonna get damaged at all. Although, look at this, y'all. Look how my package came with a big dent on the side, if y'all can see that. Big rip. That's how my package came. But let's see how my shoe box looks. Look at that shoe box, y'all. No, well, it's a little dent right here, but I wonder if that's from, maybe, I don't know, maybe that could possibly be from that big damage on the box. But if it wasn't packaged the way it was, it probably would have been a hole in this box as well, man. So shout out to them for packaging it up the right way for your boy, man. But you know what shoe this is, right? Bang, man, you know what shoe this is. This is the shoe that your boy had, but I ended up getting rid of. But I did go over to Poizon and I pulled the trigger on it, man. So it does read Air Jordan 4 Retro. Size tag reads color black and dark gray, infrared 2-3 black. Popping open the box, y'all. Regular, you know, Air Jordan 4 stuff, as you can see, but I do see a tag on here. We'll get into that in a second. When you pop open and take a look at the shoe, bang, man. So this is a pair that I have had, man. If you guys been watching the channel for a little while, y'all know your boy Jay had this pair. I ended up getting rid of it, so I had to go back and pull the trigger on Poizon before the prices went back up, man. And I feel very safe with this pair here, because they do 100% authenticate and legit check those shoes, and they do tag them once they pass their verification process, man. So as you can see right here, that is the tag of verification. It does say can't stop, won't stop on this side. Can't stop, won't stop, and it does have a QR code right there. You get all your shoe facts from the purchase you just made, man. But definitely check out Poizon today, y'all. Let's get a quick on feet, man, of when I did rock these. We'll do a couple lace swap views and all that, man. But check them out on feet right there, as you can see. Definitely a dope pair. The prices of these have been going up, man. They have been going up. I wanted to snag a pair before it was too late, so I did go over there and I said, let me go ahead and try them out. And like I said, man, I'm impressed. I'm happy with my purchase, and I'm happy with the service that I got through Poizon. So definitely, man, definitely check them out. I do got the infrared 4s back in the collection, man, and hey, I'm happy with this purchase, man. But definitely check out the Poizon website today, man. Get familiar with it. Shop with confidence. They have tons, like I can't put enough emphasis on that, man. They have tons and tons of old and new shoes, so you definitely want to spend some time on that website. See if you see anything you like, cash out, and they'll be to your door quicker than you think. So they're gonna get everything legit checked for you and sent right over. So definitely check out that website. Happy, like I said, with this purchase, man. Check them out. Your boy Jay stamps them, man. Yes, sir. Woo. So yes, moving on, y'all. Bang, got another shoe right here, man. This shoe I did pick up from my local area. I was out of town when these came out. However, when you put in phone calls and you know people, they'll pick up things and they'll secure things for you, man. So this is a shoe, man. Shout out to my homie Reggie. You know who you are, man. Shout out to him for holding me down on this pair. This pair actually is still sitting around in certain locations, so I kind of didn't need for him to get them and hold them for me. But I'm glad I did, because you just never know what's gonna sell and what's gonna sit. But on this one, it reads Nike Dunk Low Retro PRM, color blocking is University Red Black. I told y'all I was gonna get these, man. Size tag, size 9. Nina, you know your boy needed that good old 9, man. But popping open the box, lot number, all that good stuff on the lid. When you take a look at the shoes, man, had to get them, bruh. The Nike Dunk Low. Woo, bang! Them split joints, man. So these right here, man, if you guys checked out my vlog when I went to Houston, Texas, shout out to the homie Ron Got Sold, man. He took me around to a couple areas out there. I did not know that these came with extra laces, but I do know now. Didn't know that, but I did see these sitting in the Galleria Mall out there in Houston, Texas, as well as I did compare them in person at a resale store to the anniversary Nike Dunks, and I still think I like these over those, man. I definitely like these over those, but I'm not mad at the anniversaries. But the Nike Dunk Low splits, bang, are a clean pair, man. And this shoe right here is not a highly sought after shoe. I think they're still sitting in a lot of just random locations, man. You still can get your hands on these. So hey, if you want a pair, I would check around your local areas to see if they're still available. It has nice leather, man. When you touch on the toe box, nice soft leather for a Nike Dunk. You know, usually Nike Dunks, they have the hard cardboard leather, man. This is, you know, the better type leather out of all the Nike Dunks, man. So definitely check these out if you are interested in them, man. Let me know, should I do a quick on feet? Is it worth it? Quick on feet for these, man. Y'all let me know. But check out the bottom. It does have the half black, the half gray. You know what I'm saying? Half gray on the back. And one thing, I don't know, if I had to change something, I don't know if I would make this white. I think I would make that back part white instead of the gray. You know what I'm saying? So just to make that white pop a little bit more, because the gray is kind of, I don't know. Yeah, I think it would be better with white, man. I think it would be better with white on that back half, man. But hey, can't be that nitpicky. I think it's still a dope shoe in my opinion. I'm glad I got these. I missed out on the anniversary joints, but I mean, if I had the anniversaries, I don't know to say if I would have copped these, but definitely glad that I waited out and I got these instead, man. But yes, sir, that is it for this video. Like I told y'all, man, definitely make sure you guys check out Poizon. User-friendly platform, man. So definitely check out Poizon. And yeah, man, your boy Jay puts a stamp on it. These as well, I put my stamp on it. I'm gonna catch up with y'all on the next one. Y'all stay blessed. We'll be back tomorrow with some more videos, some more bangers. And yeah, man, I'm gonna catch up with y'all. Y'all stay blessed.